But please note, everything you get in this video is strictly for educational purposes and not intended as investment advice. So please do your own research. And also know that results are not typical. It's all dependent on your skills level and experience. So please take note. Hello there, welcome back to your favorite channel, and in this video we've got some new lesson for you concerning forex trading. And in the last video we were talking about how to place buy order types, buy orders, and we explored the three buy order types you can get. And these three buy order types are categorized into two. You have the instant execution or the market order, and then you have the pending orders. And then when you now bring the two together, you have the market execution or instant execution order, and the buy limit and the buy stop order. So instant execution buy or market execution buy is one type order type, and that is the one that you take when you see the price at where you want it and you want to buy, right? And that means that the trend is bullish for you. And the other types are the pending orders, where you also bullish, also you have found market with bullish also, but you don't think that is the right price yet for you to enter, so you decide to use pending orders. And if you want to buy lower than the current price, you use buy limit. If you want to buy higher than the current price, you use buy stop. Okay, so that's for the last lesson, but today we're going to be dealing with sell. And so today's sell will be the two order categories: the instant execution or market order and the pending orders. So the pending orders, well, of course, we'll be dealing with sell limit and sell stop. So we are going to still use the same instrument that we use for the buy orders to also exemplify this today, and that is GBP USD. And that is it. Now, if you recall here, you notice that we bought, right? But then the buy orders also, they went south. So the chart went south and resulted into losses. So but then at this point we are not particular about whether it's going to go in the direction we take or not. We just want to learn how to place those orders. That's what we are particular about right here, right now. Okay, we'll get to identifying the trend. We'll have a separate lesson for that will not bore you. Okay, so hope you are enjoying it, right? If you are, please give this video a like and also leave in the comments and let me know what next you want me to teach you about forex trading. And I am doing this strictly for beginners. I'm doing this for those who have never traded before, or those who have been trading only on demo, who have never opened a live account before. And I want you, at the end of this series, by the time we are done with this, you want to get your real money ready to get trading signals to trade live. Yes, that is what I promise you on this channel. So I'm going to take you through this. So make sure you give your attention to this, and by the time you're done with this, seriously, you don't need to pay for any trading course as a beginner, except you now want to advance your career. By the time you know how to get $100, make 10% on it per month or more, then you know that you can now begin to expand and learning more strategy. But let's go. All right, so sell orders. All right, so we are dealing with sell orders, and we have two types. You have this, let me quickly click on the sell here. All right, so remember how we got here already. I just chose, let's go back. You chose the instrument. All right, so if you are here, if you enter your account, you have the instruments. You have here trade, and then you choose the instrument you want to take, and then you tap on sell, and then next you choose your volume. We are not dealing with risk management. We are just setting the trade, so we just choose the volume 1.0, right? And so we have two types: the market order or the instant execution, right? So market order and instant execution, they are the same thing. They are one and the same, right? Anywhere you see them is instant execution or market order. So quickly, we'll first start with market order, meaning that we are selling at the current price, and we'll use our stop loss again. Let's set stop loss by pips. Already it's already fixed here, so we'll fix it by pips. So we'll just type 30. Okay, the 30 already there is still in there, so we'll type 20 for stop loss, and then we set confirm sell, and it is taken, right? So next is the next sell order is the pending orders now. So we have sell limits. So now sell limits, you have analyzed and seen that the market is in a bearish trend, but where it is currently is too low for you to sell, to enter. So you want it to retrace back up to a certain level where it could meet resistance. Then you now place a sell limit order there. Say, okay, you don't want to keep watching and waiting for it, so you just set it there and say, okay, once it gets there, my broker, please trigger this order for me. And that's what sell limit is about. So quickly, let's see where current prices are. So let's set it at 15 pips away, just like we did in the buy order too. All right, so buy limit order. So let's set it 15 pips away from the current price, and the current price right now is 1.29286. So let's add 15 pips. Remember, the last digit in the 5-digit code here, we're not using it. We just use the last, the third and the fourth digits. So quickly, I add 15 to 28. So what I have here will now be 1.29. Okay, so 5, add 5 to 8 here, you have 13. So 3, take 1, add it to 1, you have 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So we now have 1.2943. So 1.2943. So quickly, let's do that. We'll delete that. 1.29436. Okay, so and then we put our stop loss, take profit 30 pips, and then our stop loss 20 pips, and then we'll place confirm the trade. All right, so it's entered now. So for the next order type, pending order sell, is the sell stop. And here again, we're going over now. For sell stop, you have a bearish trend, right? Always know that when you want to sell, the market must be in a bearish mode. If you want to buy, it's a bullish mode. So whenever you want to sell, it's a bearish mode, right? So in that bearish mode or bearish trend, you want to sell. So but then the price currently is at a place you still are in doubt of that trend. So you want it to break a certain low level, a certain support. If it breaks that support, then that confirms it to you that really this trend can be trusted, because sometimes the market can play a jigsaw on you, it can play wayo on you, right? So you want to be sure. So that's where what you call confirmation. So you want to ensure that he has broken a certain support, that if he breaks it to you, it may never return back. Not that he cannot return back. All right. So you want to say, okay, if he breaks below this support, I am selling. So that's where you use sell stop. So in this case, price is currently at 1.29280, and you want to use sell stop to enter the trade on a sell because the market you feel is bearish. So let's take 15 pips below that. So we say, okay, if it falls 15 pips down from here, all right, then we enter a sell. So we deduct 15 pips from use sell stop to enter the trade on a sell because the market you feel is bearish. So let's take 15 pips below that. So we say, okay, if it falls 15 pips down from here, all right, then we enter a sell. So we deduct 15 pips from 1.2928. So 15, 28 here now. So we have 8, subtract 5 from 8, and you have 3. Then subtract 1 from 2, and then you have 1. So you now have 1.2913. So quickly, let's do that. 1.2913. That's done. So 30 pips take profits and 30 pips stop loss. You see, it's fixed already. That's how smooth it is to trade with your mobile device. So really, you don't need to struggle. Just understand this, okay? And it's done. So that's how you place the order. So let's head over here now and go to account. And now let's check the orders. The sell order is now plus -1 +2. All right, depending orders. Remember that the buy stop order we placed the other day, yesterday, is still here active. So we will still leave it. If price ever gets there, fine. All right. But then what if you think that okay, the trend has changed? Because we say you should always follow the trend until it bends. What if you notice that the trend has bent? All right, so the conditions that made you to set those pending orders are no more in existence. What do? You can delete. So what you just do here is tap on the order, and you can see it's open now. So you now choose what you want to do. Do you want to view the chart to confirm whether it's still valid or not, or you want to delete the other? I want to delete the other, so let's tap on delete. All right, but before you do that, if you want to modify, you can also modify this trade, right? For example, you can decide, okay, where it is right now, the current price is at right now 1.2925. So you want to say, okay, let me give 15 pips. If it rises there, I'll buy. So in that case, now you can actually say, okay, add 15 pips to 27 here now. So what you have will be 5, that's 12, take 1, that's 3, that's 1.2942. All right. Okay, so let's do that 1.2942. All right, so 29420. Okay, so let's leave it like that. So we'll just confirm the modification. So we have modified it. So in which case now it will trigger this order sooner than waiting until it gets to 1.2999 whatever, right? Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that is how you do that. All right, so before we wrap this up, just after a few minutes, the orders, two orders have been triggered. Now you can see we now have, this is P&L, negative P&L minus 75, 73, minus 78, minus, okay. Now, in the pending order section, you can see that the sell stop order hasn't been triggered yet. Now, in the open trades, now you have, can see GBP 3 here. So that means three orders are on. So you tap on it and it will open and show you. So you can see that the sell limit order has triggered. Right, sell limit order has triggered, and the sell instant sell is still active. Here is it. And then while the buy stop order has also been triggered, you can see, so it's now on minus 50, minus 40. You can see it's like, you just can see the balance rolling now, right? While the sell limit order is on too. Okay, so now you would just let this close by themselves, or you want to close it by yourself, anyone you want to do. But then here we have, and let me also explain something here to you. What has happened here now is that we have one sell order and one buy order hedging each other. All right, then you have one another seller that now running. So if the market continues to go down, the your P&L here will begin to improve until it becomes green or positive. But if it continues going up, because you just have only one buy order, you just realize that it will keep on, the P&L here, negative P&L will keep on widening or increasing. So at this point, because you have two sell orders now and one buy order is canceling the other or hedging the other. So the two, one buy and one sell, they're hedging each other. So if this one now, if price keeps going down, at a point in time, this will become profitable. The P&L here will become profitable, and at that point, you can decide to either close all or close all positions. You see there, if I tap here, you can close all or modify, or you can just close here, tap here to close all positions. Hope you got that. So go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, share the video, and please subscribe and also smash the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.